Hello friends, today we discuss how we can define and call main function in Python. To design the program, we have to use Python ideally. You can use ideally 3.7 or ideally 2.7. Once ideally open, just go to File menu and say New, and then type a program like define main. This is defining main. Here you can specify some message like welcome in Python. Now we can define some more functions like interest, which takes three parameters PRT, and we can return P into R into T upon 100. Now we can also call this interest function from main, so we can write print interest is equal to %.2f. I want to display only two decimal places and floating value. Whenever we use format specifiers, we have to use percent as a separator. Then the name of the function to call, so interest and values like 1000, 6.25, 1. Now we have to call main function, so we write if name underscore underscore exactly equal to double quotes underscore underscore main underscore underscore colon main. This is calling main. So program is ready. Just have to save it, give some name to the program, and just execute it. We are getting welcome in Python and we are getting interest 62.50. So hope friends you like this video. Thanks for watching.